Hello students, welcome to Sacred Heart High School.
Question number 1. One table is given, that is point and coordinate. The points are A, B, C, D and E, and the coordinates are -3, 5, 2, -7 and 9. By using the values of this coordinate, certain questions are given, certain segments are given. You have to state whether the given statements are congruent or not. So the first set of segment given to us is DE and segment AB. Okay, so what we will do to compare whether these two are congruent or not, we will find out the distance between the distance of DE and distance of AB. If the distance of DE is equal to the distance of AB, then they are congruent. If the distance are different, then they are not congruent. Okay, so now first we will write down coordinate of D. You can see in the table D value is -7, so I'll write here the coordinate of D is -7. Similarly, I will find out coordinate of E. What is the coordinate of E, children? See here, 9. So I'll write here 9. Okay, now by using this, you know how to find out the distance of any coordinate. Distance formula. Yes, what is the distance formula? We will first find out the larger number. Larger number minus smaller number is the distance formula. Okay, so between 9 and -7, which is the greater number? Always the positive number is greater than the negative number. So 9 is greater. Therefore, distance of DE will be equal to 9 minus -7. Be careful here. Distance formula is larger number minus smaller number. Okay, so 9 is the larger number minus, but the smaller number is in negative, so you have to write minus here also. -7. Don't remove the minus because one minus is here. Okay, don't do that. Now 9 minus minus is plus, children. Yes, so 9 plus 7, what you 9 plus 7, what you will get? Yes, so your answer is 16. Okay, so therefore you can write down, therefore length of DE is equal to 16. Now in the same way I will find out AB also. Okay, so first what we will write? We will write the coordinate of A. What is the coordinate of A? See in the table given, -3. Coordinate of what is B? Again you will check here, it is 5. Okay, then we will check the which is the largest number, 5 and -3. Again positive and negative, so always the greater number is the positive number. Now we will apply the distance formula, that is distance is equal to of AB will be equal to 5 minus -3. That is nothing but 5 plus 3. So it is equal to 8. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 8. This is 1 and this is 2. So children, what you come to know? Distance of DE is 16 and distance of AB is 8. Or the length of DE is 16 and length of AB is 8. Are these two numbers same? No, these two are different. So therefore, we can say that length of DE is not equal to length of AB. Okay, so how you got this? From 1 and 2. Okay, therefore DE, segment DE and segment AB are not congruent. Okay students, whenever such question is there, you will find out the distance of these 2 points and check whether the values are coming same or not. If the values are same, they are congruent, but here we have got different values of both the distance. Therefore, the 2 segments are not congruent. Children, now see the second question. M is the midpoint of AB. If length of AB is equal to 8, then find out length of AM. Okay, what is given? Let us understand with the diagram, small diagram. The length of AB is given and M is the midpoint. The total length of AB is given 8. Okay, and M is the midpoint. That means AB is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so to find out length of AM, it will be what? Half into length of AB. Yes, what is the reason? Because M is midpoint of AB. Okay, now let us substitute whatever value we have here. Okay, so therefore length of AM is equal to half into AB is how much? 8. 2 ones are and 4s are. Okay, therefore our answer is, therefore length of AM is equal to 4. Okay, whenever midpoint is given, midpoint divides the whole segment into 2 equal parts. Therefore AM is equal to half of AB. AB is given 8, therefore half of it is 4. Only this much. Students, now let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is, if AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BP is equal to 2 centimeter and AP is equal to 3.4 centimeter, compare the segments. Okay, we have to compare. That means we have to say which segment is the largest and which segment is the smallest. Okay, so to compare this, first we will to make it easier, we will just compare the numbers first. Whichever number, we will arrange the number in order. Okay, so first we'll write the largest number. Among these 3, we can easily say that 5 is the largest number. After that, between 2 and 3.4, 3.4 is the larger number. Okay, and then comes 2. Okay, so this is our order. Now what we will do, whatever is the corresponding name to this number, that we will write down. Okay, so 5 is AB is greater than 3.4 is AP. Yes, so we'll write AP, and 2 is BP. So this is the arrangement in the order. Okay, so therefore we can say segment AB is greater than segment AP and AP is greater than segment BP. Okay, so this is our comparison of all the 3 measurement which is given to us, that is the segments. We have to compare the segments. So comparison means which segment is the largest and which segment is the smallest. For doing this, what we have done, first we have arranged the numbers and then just place the name of those segments. So this is your answer.